to my channel. Today is day 9 of my 24 days of DIY, where I am posting a new video every single day up until Christmas. I'm so excited for today's DIY because this one is going to make my house smell like Christmas. This one would also be great to do with kids if they need a fun activity to do. For today's video, we are going to make a little gingerbread Christmas garland. It's going to look super cute, but also smell amazing. So, let's get into the video. Okay, the recipe to make this probably couldn't be any easier. You just need 2 ingredients, first being applesauce. I almost got plain applesauce, but then I saw cinnamon applesauce and just thought this would make the smell even more amazing. So you just need applesauce and cinnamon. So technically this is kind of like a baking DIY, but these won't be edible. So if you are doing this with little kids, just make sure they know don't taste them because they're not going to taste very good. So all you need to do is put equal parts applesauce and cinnamon into a bowl. As of right now, I'm not sure how much dough I want to make, so I'm just going to start with a ½ a cup of each, and then if I want more, I'll just add more in. So let's start with, actually, I think I'm going to do a cup of each to start off. I love the smell of cinnamon. Okay, so here's 1 cup of cinnamon, and then I'm going to do 1 cup of applesauce. This dough should be sticky, but if it's too sticky, then just add in more cinnamon. Now we're going to mix this up until it's a dough-like consistency. Again, it should be a little sticky. It smells so good. Okay, I think this is actually pretty good. Okay, I think really parchment paper would work best for this, to lay it out on parchment paper and then bake it on that. I thought I had some, but I don't. So I'm just going to put a little flour down on my table, so hopefully this will work and it won't stick to my table. I'm going to roll up my sleeves. Probably a white shirt was not the best choice for this DIY, but that's okay. Is this going to stain my table? That's my only worry. You know what? The cinnamon stain. I don't want to risk it. I'm going to just put it on my pan. So I'm going to just spread some of this out so it's nice and flat, like a little pancake. And then I'm going to take my cute gingerbread cookie cutter and just start cutting out little shapes. Look how cute he is. Okay, so I finished my first batch of gingerbread men. How stinking cute are they? But before we bake them, we need to put little holes in them so that I'll be able to put a string through them for the garland. So I'm just going to use a straw, and I'm going to poke 2 holes right in like their belly. Okay, now I'm going to pop them in the oven at a low temperature, 200, 225 for a couple hours. Okay, I just pulled these out of the oven. I wish you could smell my house right now. It smells like Christmas. So good. They turned out so cute. I think I might do a little flour dusting on top of them though, just to make them look a little snowy. I don't know, I think that might be cute. Just a little dusting. So cute. Alright, now it's time to string them together. I found this cute red and white striped string. I thought this would be perfect for these little gingerbread. If I can find the start of my string. Okay, here we go. And then just to help me string this through the cookies, I'm just going to tape the ends. Okay, I feel like that should be long enough. Alright, so starting from the back, I'm going to push my string through and then out the other side. We'll pull this guy all the way down to the end. And I'm just going to keep repeating that until all of them are on the string. tacky. You guys, this turned out so good. Is that not the cutest thing? I'm so excited to hang this up. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you recreate this, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. Again, be sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on my videos. Be sure you come back tomorrow for another DIY. I will see you then. Bye.